The best-selling electric kettles. Here are 5 best-selling electric kettles with distinct features for your different needs. Number 1 Pigeon Electric Kettle. Pigeon by Stovecraft Swell Electric Kettle with stainless steel body, 0.7 liter boiler for water, instant noodles, soup etc. Pigeon Swell Electric Kettle can boil water faster than stovetop. Now make herbal tea or instant soups without hassle. Cordless servings. Detaches from base for convenient cordless serving with a heat-proof plastic handle. Sturdy SS design. Stainless steel electric kettle 0.7 liter. The electric kettle will automatically shut off when water boils, and its boil dry protection feature will provide years of dependable use. This kettle has a generous 0.7 liter water capacity. The electric kettle will heat ample amounts of water for hot beverages and effortless food preparation. Number 2 Butterfly EKN 1.5 liter electric kettle. It is a perfect boiling partner for your kitchen. Prepare hot water, instant tea etc. in a matter of minutes with Butterfly EKN kettle. It has attractive features like automatic cutoff, ergonomically designed handles. Kettle has a unique design with attractive finishes, lightweight and compact, making it easy to carry. To top it off, it also comes with the better safety features, making it safe to use. It will quickly heats and lasts the heat of the water for a long. Number 3 Prestige Steel Electric Kettle by Prestige costs 1.5 liters. An easy and attractive way to heat water in no time. With Prestige electric kettles now boiling water, coffee/tea, hot chocolate, soups is a matter of minutes. It has attractive features like automatic cutoff, single-touch lid locking. It comes with ergonomically designed handles, unique design with attractive finishes. Prestige electric kettles are a must-have. Its main features are 1.5 liters capacity, elegant handles with single-touch lid locking and automatic cutoff, concealed element and power indicator. Number 4 Kent Elegant Electric Glass Kettle. Kent Electric Kettle comes with 1.8 liters, stainless steel heating plate, borosilicate glass body, boil drying. It will be a great addition to your kitchen. Kent's Elegant Electric Kettle is a safe and durable product for daily use. Designed with borosilicate glass body, this glass kettle is way better than the normal glass on the market. It won't break easily and will resist scuffing and scratching. With a capacity of 1.8 liters, you can easily serve 5 to 6 people at once. Its 360-degree swivel technology is perfect for easy pouring. Just remove the kettle from the base and take it anywhere in the room. To protect the appliance from any damage and for user safety, the kettle's auto shut-off feature will turn it off in case of overheating or dry boiling. Number 5 Havels Aqua Plus 1.2 liter Double Wall Kettle. It comes with 304 stainless steel inner body and a cool touch outer body. Its main features include stainless steel interior body. It comes with a cool touch body that does not heat up to protect you from scalding hazards, so you can handle it with ease. It features a wide mouth that makes filling, pouring and cleaning easy tasks. Ergonomic on-off switch along with a light indicator that easily lets you know if the appliance is on or off. It has an auto shut-off function in case of an issue of overheating that prevents the kettle from getting damaged.